You know, you don't realize how tough this stuff is until you start trying to file it out of these holes. Yeah, that's some pretty good stuff. I got some work to do here. Yeah, I forgot I had all this in the Evaporust. So it's been in there for a couple days. And then I put it in the parts washer and scrubbed it all around. And now I'm putting it out here and see if we can't get things dried out, because there's special washers in there we're going to need. We're going to need some clampage. Looks like it did pretty good. So yeah, we're going to let this stuff sit out here and dry off. Some of the bolts won't be any good, but there's still a lot of good hardware there. Well, I couldn't stand it. Yeah, it's in the 50s out here. Y'all probably thinking 50? Yeah, it's chilly. Hey, really should have 80 grit for this, but all I got, the courses I got is 120, so this is going to take a while. Okay, so that's taken a little long, so I went in and I found some 100 grit and I super glued it to a old 220. So we're going to try 100 grit on this guy now. It's working, but it's taking a while. Well, the 100 grit was working better, and I got to digging in my sandpaper box and I found some 60. So I'm super gluing the 60 to an old mouse disc, and we're going to try 60. And if this works, I'll do a round one for the other one. I've got one more little tube of super glue left. So yeah, let me go try this out, see how well it's going to work. All right, well, this 60 grit working real well on the mouse sander, but I want to put more pressure down, so I'm going to make one for the big sander. So basically, this is an old pair of scissors. Doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, see if I got any of this juice left in this one. Nope, that was shot. Alright, I am not getting these single use deals anymore. They leak. You gotta be careful with them. All right, we'll let that tack up a little bit and I'll go out and run that one. Well, I'm thinking the camera doesn't like the chili out here. I'm able to push really hard on this one, as you can see, and it took it down quick. And then I went back over it with 120, that's 60. So we're getting ready to start this one, but this one's pretty much done. I even went back over this area here, but the paint should fill it in. But I think this is going to look a whole lot better than the other one. So yeah, let me knock this down. This will be real quick, and then maybe get some paint on them rims. Okay, well, these two parts are ready to be wiped down and painted black. I've got everything capped off on them. And I want to do a little bit more work on the front side of these rims. So what I'm doing is basically using some 600 grit. There you go. And I'm just re-sanding the inside. But we're in the 50s out there, and this metal's awful cold. So it's supposed to warm up a little bit better tomorrow, so I may hold off and just get everything ready for paint, and we'll paint these tomorrow. And I'm going to just go ahead and take a break. It's not late, but yeah, this is a lot of work. Thanks for watching.